Hi there, my name is Jessica Drossin, and I'm here today to demonstrate my new product, JD Magical Glitter Overlays and Brushes. So here we started with an image that was originally a bit of an outtake, but I loved her expression and how her hair is blowing in the wind, and I thought, well, this could be kind of a dreamy image if I were to add some sparkly glitter overlay to it, make it sort of magical. So first, this is the straight out of camera. I've gone ahead and added the JD Quick Flow, and just to quick show you what I did before adding the glitter. I did a little retouching here. I gave her cheeks a little bit more of a rosy glow. I added one of the instant overlays that's included with the pack. And I did a little bit of non-destructive highlighting, dodging here. So again, before and after. So in your packs, there are going to be a variety of overlays from very delicate ones to full page large effects. I'm going to show you just, here's a little delicate overlay, and we're just going to place that. And then you can go to these adjustment actions. They're going to help you sort of integrate, so you can flip the overlays around. Just make sure that when you are using these adjustment actions that you have your layer selected with the glitter. Just going to place it like it's coming out of her hand. Maybe swirling around her head a little bit. You can resize these. And I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to add a mask, and I'm going to paint into this mask with black, and I'm going to erase out some of this glitter detail here. So I'm going to make it look like the glitter is going behind her a little bit. It's just a personal choice. I could have it go in front of her and not mask out, but you can mask out in ways to make it look like the glitter is interacting with your subject just a little bit more. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and erase some of that glitter where it appears over her fingers to make it look like the glitter is actually going through her fingertips. And just clean it up with a little smaller brush here. And now I'm going to go ahead, and you see that my mask is not linked. I'm actually going to just adjust this one more time. I preserve the mask by making sure that I'm only changing my glitter overlay area. That's why they're no longer linked. And when I'm satisfied, I go ahead and relink them. And I'm just going to fix my mask here a little bit. Ideally, I should have made sure that I really liked where I had that glitter overlay and the angle, but so I wouldn't have to do this. But you know, sometimes you look at things and think they're okay, and then you get an idea to make them a little better. So changing the angle here, just readjusting my mask. And now I'm going to go into the adjustment actions, and I'm doubling the effect just so you see the glitter a little more clearly. The glitter obviously shows up better against a darker background, but sometimes you don't want to have a really dark background. And then I can do other adjustments if I want to, like warming the glitter color or desaturating or saturating it. These actions, so long as you have your glitter layer selected, they will only affect your glitter itself and not any of your other edits. Now this time I want to show you one of the full page overlays. There's several in here that go across the entire image. This is one example, and I'm going to use it with one of the smaller overlays just to show you how you can customize it. This creates more of an environmental effect with the glitter overlays. And here is another variation. And we can go ahead and customize it just like I showed you how we did with the other version. Going into my adjustment actions, and I'm flipping this overlay around. So I like how it interacts with my subject a little bit more. And now if I want, I can resize this. I can bring it down and enlarge it. I can move it around to how I feel like it best fits my image. And now I'm going to go down here and create a mask, and using a soft black brush, I'm going to just mask out area that I don't want to be interacting with her face, or just basically carving out any spots where I don't want some of these effects to appear. And now I think for fun I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to demonstrate some of these brushes. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick a color that I want to use, and so in this case I'm going to pick a light sort of soft yellowish gold. And now I'm going to go up here to my brushes section, and I'm going to click on this top right area and say load brushes, and I'm going to go here to the brushes, not the stamps. Stamps are things that you just tap on once. The brushes will actually allow me to draw and will have then interactive sort of effects going along. So I'm going to pick out the brush that I want to use, and I'll just make a couple little fun shapes just to show you how these brushes work. So you see I'm just sort of doodling here. Now I think I'm going to try another little brush here. So I'm going to make this one larger and pick maybe, yeah, a lot larger. Pick this bokeh brush here, and I'm just going to tap down on it like I would a stamp. And now I'm going to paint here a little bit, and just adding more detail, and just playing around just to demonstrate this. I know this is going a little crazy. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. You can see there's more than 50 overlays. There's more than 20 different brushes and stamps. Remember, there are no mistakes in making art. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.